Alright guys, what is up? Ninjaboss XYZ at you today with our first ever Nerf video. Here with my buddy Joe. We're hunting down his brothers with Nerf guns.
2v2 battle. Dude,
check out these cliffs.
Yeah, let's keep. There's still snow?
I guess so. This will be interesting. So both of his brothers have ghillie suits.
Yeah, it's gonna be pretty hard to find them. One of them has a sword. He doesn't have a gun. So.
Yeah, it's like a katana. I thought he had a pistol or something. I don't know, this looks pretty fishy.
I found one! Already. There they are!
Oh, that was horrible.
Looks like there's ice down there.
How'd they...
Should we keep the high ground or should we head down to the creek?
I think we should head down there.
Okay.
I don't care if I lost those bullets. We'll probably find them in another war or something.
Yeah. This pistol is okay.
So, what do you think? Should I just keep it on single fire mode or rapid fire?
I think you should keep it on single.
Okay.
Rapid game. Let's go check out the cave.
Yeah. Oh, jeez. This is sketchy. These are not good shoes for going down the cliff. Yeah, well, I've got Nikes and these are horrible. They're good for running, but not for tumbling down a cliff. Oh, there's one.
Come on, get him.
We're in a horrible spot.
Oh, I know. We're like ledge rock or whatever it's called.
Where do you think Zach went?
Zach ran that way. He's probably stalking us. Eli's down there at the base of that
He's
road.
probably got to come out of nowhere and try to kill us.
You know what we need to do? We keep heading down. I just want to let you guys know, you're really bad hiders.
Yeah. Ah.
But they're not exactly trying to hide from us. They're also kind of hunting us.
Yeah.
I think he's trying to get us.
I swear. It'd be funny if Zach just comes running at us and he just falls down.
Oh, man. Yeah, no, he's like running at us.
Did you say there was a rattlesnake out here once?
We found two at our house and we let them go out there.
That's weird.
They're like black rattlesnakes or something.
They're obviously gonna be hibernating.
Oh,
Yeah. But still, that's crazy. Just up in the mountains, there's rattlesnakes.
I think they are black rattlesnakes, yeah, because I think
Yeah.
they're more somewhere else. Don't touch those.
Here.
Be quiet, let's see if we can-
I heard him up there.
They're over there. See the cave over there. Are we gonna have to cross this?
I guess. You think it's safe?
I don't know. Okay, come on.
Alright.
Crossing a big old sheet of ice.
Yeah, this is sketchy. Oh.
Here, keep coming. It's like hollow. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, I think there's an
Let's go
easier.
around this way.
I think there's an easier path over here.
Oh, I see a perfect place to like hide. And... I see one. I see one. Keep going. Go, go, go. He's up on the hill.
Ah, those trees. This is useless.
My pistol's lining up some fuse.
I swear, he's gonna come tumbling down here. He's gonna come tumbling down here and start shooting at us. And we're in this horrible spot. They'll probably be like, oh, I found them.
Dude, get up here.
We can hear you, you know.
Yeah.
Holy cow. Dude, this is the kind of stuff I love to do. It's called bouldering.
Yeah, it's kind of hard.
Yeah. Don't try this at home, kids.
We are trained professionals in the art of being stupid.
Eli's coming down over there, but I don't think he's gonna shoot us.
Never mind, we need to go back down. We're gonna be stuck up here. I mean, we do have the upper ground, but go that way.
Hold on.
Go that way towards the main creek.
I'll follow you. Ah, jeez. This mag, I swear.
Mag fell out?
Yeah. Well, not on my gun, but did I seriously waste all of that already?
I thought you only shot once.
No, I shot a couple of times now.
Honestly, bro, I gotta tell you something.
What?
I thought you could.
Here, I'm gonna see if I can put this in here.
Let's do that. He's getting the higher ground, dude. You gotta go.
Dude, they're Nerf guns. It's not like they're gonna... whatever.
I know where Zach is. We gotta get there before you like down here. I just saw him climbing up over there. I can see him right now. Zach, I can see you! Look at you, raise his head. Dude, we gotta get going, man.
Here, I'll stay up here. I'll cover you. Okay? You go and kill Zach. I'll make sure. I'll just sit on this rock, I guess. Eli's not making much progress down there.
Go down. We both gotta keep moving, man.
Well, if I stay right here, we'll actually kill somebody.
No, we're not. Eli's coming, dude.
Yeah, I'll kill Eli. He's talking in his walkie-talkie again. He's got his mask off. Aw, he has a regulator too, I guess. Yeah, pose for the picture, Eli. We're gonna kill you, you know. You doing good over there? I'm not gonna try to shoot through the trees again. Yeah. But I guess it must be moving then, cause I think they're both gonna start coming for me or something. How'd you do this part? It's Eli. What? His gun jammed. That's gotta suck. I'm fighting Eli. Just a second. Oh, shoot. Down it goes. Where's Eli? I know, Eli's right there. Zach's just standing up there.
Do you know the way?
Is that like some kind of code thing? What?
Hurry up, come on, let's go.
Alright, just a second. I'm just trying to find a way that won't maybe barrel down here. This is very awkward. Eli, don't act like I don't see you.
Dang snow. Dang snow.
Dank snow? He's coming.
Want to do vertical climbing, or you want to go the easy way and walk up?
Vertical climbing's gotta be stupid with these. I hit you. Eli's down. I got him.
You got Eli?
Yeah, I got Eli.
Hey, get to heel.
Ah, jeez.
Minute to revive him.
Yeah, or you could just go up to him and revive him there and that, but what's the fun in that? Oh. Jeez. That freaking hurt. Ah. My magazine fell down under the rock. Here, cover me, I gotta get it.
I got you, bro. All the trophies have a Nerf on the floor.
Yeah. That is a sketchy rock right there.
You better hurry. Zach has his sword. And he's coming up. He's sneaking behind us. Bro, I got you. You better hurry, bro. As fast as you can. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, I don't think vertical climbing is a good idea. It'd be fun, but
Yeah, we can go up, shoot up right there. I can.
yeah, that looks fun. We should climb that later.
Yeah.
Ah! Something in my shoe.
There's a lot of things in my shoe.
Jeez, I should have worn boots.
We gotta get somewhere. We gotta hide. I was thinking about going in the cave, but that's too risky. We'll get cornered in there. It's not a very good cave.
I swear this magazine's giving me trouble. Ah. Dude, I felt like something stung my foot. That hurt.
Maybe one of those sticky-
Yeah.
that place saw a fox in
No need to panic at the disco.
it. Now, I see Zach up down there. What's up?
Basically traded places, I
Oh no,
guess.
that's Eli.
And where's Zach? I'm getting hot.
Is Zach either up here with us or down here? Because I thought I was going with the sword. I think he's down. So come on, we gotta get up here fast. So we can see us around. You have no idea how much pain I'm going through. This thing.
Oh my gosh. Why'd you stuff a freaking cyclone shock down your pants?
So another way of carrying it.
Ah,
I need a secondary.
my foot really hurts.
So we could actually, if we run, we could get down there crisscross and then get up to that side of the cliff and kind of just sit there and scout them out and see what they're doing.
Yeah. I'm getting so freaking hot. Let's see if this will work.
Yeah, well, that's my fault. It's a kid on the woods.
What?
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
You gotta start really going fast, man. You should have just brought pistols.
This was a horrible idea. It's cool, it's horrible. My foot's like burning right now. This reminds me when I fell down the cliff.
What's that guy who dropped you on the phone?
Yeah. It was at Camp Raymond. This was a Boy Scout camp. And I was rappelling down one of their cliffs. They nicknamed it Larry. They nicknamed the cliff Larry. And later that week I climbed it again, and it turns out there was a huge wasp nest. It's freaking sketchy. It was huge.
Find a snack. He's on the way up, kind of like a sneak bar.
Yeah. I wonder if we're wandering away from them. They probably can't find us anymore.
All he has is that color dog.
He's running fast, I bet. That gum bothering you? Oh.
Really good. Imagine if airsoft gun came in gun.
Yeah. I have a Scar airsoft gun. That's pretty awesome.
Yeah, I had one. The SSG.
So if you already haven't, you should go and watch my Roblox videos. They're cringy, but what the heck.
Yeah. Just remember, one like on this video, with this one sticker torn out of our feet.
This is true.
Yeah.
Should have brought some snacks like Cheez-Its.